Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging, safety first. Once done, detach the mic, twist gently at the base and pull straight out to avoid wiggling pins. Make sure you have 70% plus isopropyl, a lint-free cloth, and cotton swabs at hand because these remove oils and contaminants without damaging foam or electronics. If the mic has a foam windshield, remove it now. It needs separate washing. Doing this prevents liquid from reaching internal connections and sets you up for a proper clean. You move to the microphone capsule. If there's a foam windshield, wash it in warm water with mild soap, rinse, and air dry 12 to 24 hours. Squeeze gently, do not wring. For the capsule itself, lightly dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl and clean only the perimeter and grill edges. This removes oils while preventing fluid ingress. Once done, use a soft brush to clear grill holes without pushing debris inside. Make sure everything is fully dry before reassembly to avoid shorts. You reassemble by placing the dry windshield back over the capsule and reinserting the mic straight into the port until it seats firmly. Once connected, plug into your device and open a recording app to test levels and clarity. Speak at normal volume and monitor for distortion or dropouts. If you hear static, make sure the jack is clean and try another port. If problems persist, swap the foam or consider a replacement mic. One troubleshooting tip: intermittent audio usually means moisture or a bent pin, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.